Welcome to Gemini Deep Research, the tool that transforms your internal files into rich, detailed insights. Start by integrating your internal files. Gemini effortlessly connects with various formats and systems. Next, utilize powerful algorithms to filter and organize your data intelligently, making it easy to navigate. With your dataset, dive deeper. Generate critical insights tailored specifically to your project needs. Finally, export your findings in a variety of formats, ensuring seamless sharing with your team. Experience how Gemini Deep Research can revolutionize your research process with just a few clicks. Imagine the time you'll save by streamlining research workflows with Gemini. Empower your team to make informed decisions backed by precise data and insights. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, Gemini adapts to your needs. Unlock the full potential of your internal files and elevate your research practices. Try Gemini Deep Research today and transform the way you handle data. Thank you for watching. Start your journey to smarter research with us.